Is it recorded? Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Sorry about the lag, but when I made a video last time, it was so laggy that it won't let me stop the recording. That's one of the stupidest things ever that my iPad's ever done. And my iPad's been pretty laggy still. It's super odd. That was weird. I thought it was like 2020. No, not 2020. 2019, I think. Thomason didn't even exist at the time. Is it only me? Oh wow, that was pretty long, man. Because I have another video that I'm working on. Come on, superpower! My iPad's so laggy. I pressed my superpower. Oh, that was so dumb. Why, how did I die? This is one of the worst that my iPad's ever done. It has never been laggy before, and now it's back being laggy. This iPad's so dumb. The worst. Sometimes iPads can be like this. Let's go. I'm so dumb. Wait, one more round. It better not be that crowd game. It's impossible. Meow races ever. That's one of the hardest ones. Oh, come on, I didn't kill him. What the? 16 alive, now 15, now 14. Rebecca Fartall. Oh my god, that was so close. Get killed. Okay, I'm so dumb at this game. Right, that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to obviously never miss out on a video. Bye.